back. Thanks for stopping by. To start off the video, I'm just going to go ahead and say some things I did today at work, and then I'm going to get into the video. I just finished up putting up some of the shower and closet lights. I'm just finishing up miscellaneous things that didn't get finished. Putting up a bunch of the rest of the 60-minute timers. And then going through and doing the rest of the smoke detectors and the thermostats for the heaters and some of the heaters right there. And then I will go ahead and get on to the rest of the video. Alright guys, so for this first clip, or actually it's just going to be a picture, but for this first picture, actually there's two pictures. So for these first two pictures, I'm going to try something new and try to use my voice from this video and then just cut out the video and then put the picture in. So we'll see if it works. So if it does, it's going to be right here. So in this first picture, what happened is someone cut off the hot wire. I don't know if that was on purpose. I just don't see any way in my mind that it could be on accident. So it looks like someone cut it off. I don't know what reason for. Luckily, I was able to just pull it down a little bit. There was a little bit of slack. I got like an inch out of it, maybe, or half an inch. Just enough to make up a wire nut and splice it and make that longer because that little speck wasn't going to be doing anything to wire the heater. So was able to splice that together, as you can see in the second picture. So I'm happy about that. Didn't have to take it apart or anything. So that was good. Usually when you pull the box out, it's hard to get it back in, but if I pulled it out with that little stub of wire, there's probably no way I was going to get that back in. So glad I didn't have to do that. And when you take it out, it can like destroy the wall. If it's not cut around the edges carefully, it can blow the wall out, and then it'll be an even bigger mess. So got that first one taken care of, and we're going to go on to the second one now. And in this second picture, as you can see, the thermostat here is clearly upside down. That's not sure how that happened. Someone was probably rushing or something. So upside down, and so I went ahead and took care of that. And in the second picture, you can see, actually the second and third picture, but I circled it. And as soon as I opened the box, basically when I took the thermostat off of the wall, a wire nut fell off right when I opened the box, which was just a little shocking. People need to learn how to twist wire nuts, I guess. Anyways, so wire nuts falling off out of the box when I opened it, and then yeah, it was also wired wrong, so it wouldn't have even worked in the first place. So the other wires on the back of the thermostat, it says line and load, and that's the ones that we are using. And the person that wired it maybe didn't know that, and wired it with the other two wires. So whoops, I lost some mistakes there. So I went ahead and fixed all that, put it back together. And then on this third picture, or on the next picture, it is one of the fake can lights. The I forgot what they're called now, just for the sake of this video. UCL? No, that's not it. It's the down light. I forgot the exact lettering of it for the but anyways, you can see in this picture someone just left it there hanging. I'm guessing I know who that could be. So it was just left there hanging by the little connector, and as you can see on the ceiling, the plate that you use to get it to stay on the ceiling is totally bent at like a 90-degree angle. So someone must have been having a bad day. So don't forget to drop a like. One like equals one prayer. So hopefully that person is doing good these days. And anyway, so went ahead and took care of that. I just took it down off of the ceiling and used my channel locks and borrowed some from my coworker that was in the room with me. It just took two channel locks and kind of worked it back into place, just bent it back straight, and then the one of the corner clips was actually flipped the opposite direction, so I had to flip that back, and it was starting to break. Like I could see it was, the metal was tearing, but luckily I was able to stick the light up there and twist it into place without it breaking. So I'm glad that that didn't break, and it was holding just fine. So anyways, all right guys, I just want to say thanks for watching the video. I appreciate it. This video wasn't to call anyone out, it was just more educational. Hopefully you learned something, maybe you can avoid these mistakes. I don't think the people that made these mistakes even watch my videos. So anyways, hopefully you learned something, and don't go Hulk on stuff if you get angry. So anyways, just try to be smart out there and be safe, and just want to say thanks for watching the video. I already said that, but if you enjoyed it, give it a like and subscribe. Really close to 600 subscribers, about 4 away last time I checked, and I'd appreciate it if you guys continue to help and support me. I think that's about it. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. See you later.